Hello, this is my video on JavaScript. This is the last part of my helicopter tutorial animation, and today we'll be learning about JavaScript. If you haven't seen the previous 3 videos, you should, and it'll give you a deep understanding of how JavaScript is involved. The previous videos are CSS tutorial, HTML tutorial, and an introduction to the animation itself. So let's look at JavaScript. In total, I didn't do a lot of JavaScript in this animation, so there isn't much to talk about, but I'll tell you through everything that I know. So, first of all, you see start.btn.addEventLister. Now, addEventLister means you can activate a function or activate a part of an animation, which is what is used in here. Helicopter.style.animation equals main1 14 seconds linear 2 seconds infinite. So JavaScript can put the coding into this. Main1 is the name of the coding. So now when you put main1 in JavaScript and main1 in CSS, they'll link and give each other information. Main1. 14 seconds is the duration of the animation. 14 seconds means that for the entire animation cycle, it'll take 14 seconds. If you can lower this down to something crazy, so the animation will happen absurdly quickly. Like that. By setting back to 14 seconds and look at the next line, rotor.style.animation. Now you have spin. Spin is what's told about in CSS. Again, JavaScript and CSS can be linked by using spin as a keyword. 0.1 second tells you how many times the duration of the animation. Linear means that throughout the animation it'll carry on at the same speed, and infinite means that it'll carry on running forever, or at least until your PC runs out of battery. Now you have stop.btn. Stop.btn is the land button. The land button stops every single animation, including the animation for the helicopter. Now when I move over to land and click it, you'll see that the rotors will stop, and so will the animation. Let's click it, and it stopped. If you look, you'll see that helicopter.style.animation, rotor.style.animation, and small rotor.style.animation are all empty. When you put empty in JavaScript, there's nothing to run, so it stops the animations. JavaScript coincides neatly with CSS. CSS can be linked to JavaScript quite easily, and you can link HTML to JavaScript using ID. Let's go back to my previous analogy. I stated previously that you can connect HTML and JavaScript only using ID. Unfortunately, that was wrong. You can connect CSS and HTML together using ID. So be sure to fix that if you're doing the tutorial of yourself. I have also added a small rotor.style.animation. Small rotor doesn't actually have its own key name. Instead it has small RTR, which is the last animation here, apart from keyframes land. Land can also be linked back to stop.btn. An animation is basically a moving jigsaw puzzle. HTML is the brains, JavaScript is the part that starts it all, and HTML and CSS, or rather, is what makes the puzzle pieces. I hope you enjoyed this helicopter animation, and this is the end of the tutorials. By the way, you can check this out at my website by going to www.viet.com. Then scroll down and click on coding, and you'll probably see this at the top. If I've posted anything since now, it'll be after the newest post. I'm also planning on doing a rocket animation, which will be coming out very, very soon, and I'll be doing an introduction and a tutorial on that. For now, I'll leave you in suspense, saying that it's a mission going well. Goodbye.